Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Fidelity account for trading features step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Fidelity website or open the Fidelity mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials. If you are using the website, click on the login button located at the top right corner. On the mobile app, tap on the login option on the home screen. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. After logging in, look for the account settings or profile menu. On the website, this is typically found in the top right corner under your name. In the mobile app, tap on the More option at the bottom of the screen. Select Account Settings from the menu options. Next, find the section for Account Security or Authentication features. You may see an option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or SMS Authentication. Click or tap on this option to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to choose your preferred method of authentication. Options may include receiving a text message, email verification, or using an authentication app. If you choose text message, enter your mobile number and click Send Code. Check your phone for a text message containing enter the code in the provided field on the screen. If you selected email verification, check your email for a message from Fidelity. Click on the link or enter the verification code from that email. Once verified, you may be prompted to set up additional security questions. Carefully select and answer these questions to enhance your account security. Review all settings to ensure everything is configured to your liking. Finally, save any changes and log out of your account for security purposes. Your Fidelity account is now authenticated, enabling all trading features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.